Bali is a hotspot for content creators and tourists. If we want this island to stay a tropical paradise, things have to change. While traveling here, I met a man with a simple, powerful dream that could help. I want to share it with you. Meet Sandi.
Swastiastu. Welcome to Lincoln's Home. I would like to thank you very much for staying with us. It means you are supporting our local programs, benefited into local. So Lincoln's Home is initiated and inspired by Dutch couple, Linda and Case. So until now we name it Lincoln's Home. And this home welcomes people from all over the world. And again, by staying with us, this is no hotel, no villa. This is just a family house. But by staying with the family house is experience. You can stay in the hotel or in the villa, can be comfortable, but staying with the family house like this is experience. So not only experience by staying, but also you have a good interaction with the community. And this also in the future that we would like to build a foundation, education foundation to educate us about the rubbish or waste management. Just a simple thing: reduce, reuse, recycle. I would like to start from the new generation and from the school, and from that one we hope that in the future that we would like to change and good understanding about waste management. So again, once again, thank you very much for Jens and Laura for supporting this program and by staying with us. So Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti Om. It means peace in our heart, peace in the world, and then peace forever. Thank you.
I believe real change starts with small steps, with people who dream and act. If this moved you, it doesn't take much to help. Like, comment and share this video so his voice reaches more people. If you want to do more, check the description for ways to support his project. Together, one small step at a time, we can keep places like Bali alive.